Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. Fourth problem, the first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Solution for fourth problem. Given here the first and the last term. First term A is given 17. This is AP and the last term L is equal to AN is equal to 350. If the common difference is 9, D is equal to common difference, D is equal to 9. How many terms? N is equal to how much? How many terms are there? And what is their sum? Sn what? We have to find. So basing this we can find n term and sum to n terms. L is equal to last term A plus n minus 1 into D. This is last term. L is equal to given 350. In this we have to substitute these values. A is 17, n minus 1 into D 9 is equal to 350. 17, we have to transpose this on right side. N minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17. N minus 1 into 9 is equal to 10 minus 7 3. Here 4 only. 4 minus 1 3. 333. So 333 n minus 1 is equal to, we can cancel like this, 3 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 6 9 7s are 63. So n minus 1 is equal to 37. N is equal to 37 plus 1, 38. So we got first answer. N is equal to 38. First answer. This is the first answer. Next we have to find Sn. Sn is equal to n is equal to n by 2 A plus L. This is the formula. In this we have to find n38. N is equal to 38. S38 is equal to 38 by 2. First term 17. Last term 350. 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 9s. 19 into 67, 367, 367. 19 sevens are, we have to multiply here, 367 into 19, 19 sevens are, so 9 table, 9 sevens are 63, 9 6 are 54, 60, 9 3s are 27, 33, 7 6 3 3 7 9 So 6973, 6973, this is S38. So this is the second answer. Fifth problem, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Solution for fifth problem, given second and third terms, given AP second term A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to 14. This is equation 1. And second and third term A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 18 is given. Basing this, here asked to sum to 51 terms. How much? This we have to find. Solving these two equations, while subtracting, we have to change the signs. This will cancel. Minus D is equal to minus 4. D is equal to 4. Substitute D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus D is equal to 14. A plus, in place of D we have to substitute 4. 14, A is equal to 14 minus 4, A is equal to 10. So D is equal to 4, A is equal to 10. Basing this, we can find sum to 50 terms, sum of first 51 terms. Sum of 51 terms is equal to 51 by 2 into formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Basing this formula, we can find 2 into a 10, n minus 1, n 51 terms, 51 minus 1 into d 4. 51 by 2, 2 tens are 20, 50 into 4, 51 by 2, 20 plus 5 fours are 20, 51 by 2, 20, 200 here, 220, 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 ones, 0, 51 into 110, 11, we have to keep 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 fives are 55, 56, 0, 1, 6, 5, 5610, 5610. So this is S51 answer. Sixth problem, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and the top of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Solutions for sixth problem, sum of first 7 terms S7 is equal to 49 and sum of first 17 terms is equal to 289. These are given. Basing this, we can find sum of first n terms. So S7 is equal to, we know the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. Basing this, we can write S7 is equal to 7 by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to given 49. We have to reciprocal this, or we can cancel like this. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49. 1 by 2 only here. Here 2. Here we have to write here 7 terms. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 7. We can cancel like this. 2 ones 1a plus 2 3s are 6d can cancel. So a plus 1a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is equation 1. Next, from this, S17 is equal to 17 by 2 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. 17 ones are 17 17s are. So 1 by 2 here, 2a 16d is equal to 17. We can cancel like this. 2 ones are 2 8s are is equal to 2 ones are 2 8s are. We can cancel like this. A plus 1a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is equation 2. Solving these two equations, solving 1 and 2 equations, we are writing this equation here. 1a plus 3d is equal to 7. Subtracting, cancel. 5d is equal to 10. D is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are 2. So substituting d is equal to 2 in equation 1, we can get a value. A plus 3 into, in place of d we have to write 2. 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. Basing these two answers, we can write Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 2 into 1 n minus 1 into d. In place of d we have to write 2. N by 2 2n minus 2, that is equal to n by 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. 2n 2 cancel, that is equal to n into n into n square. So Sn is equal to sum of first n natural numbers. Sn is equal to n square. So this is the answer. 7th bit, show that a1 a2 an a1 a2 and so on an and so on form an AP whose an is defined as below. In this first problem, an is equal to 3 plus 4n. Solution for 7th bit first problem. Given AP AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, that is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. Then A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, 3 plus 8, 11. Then A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 12, 15. Like this we can get answers. Now the pattern is therefore AP 7, 11, 15 and so on. This is the AN. 3 plus 4n is the AN. Here A1, A2, A3. A is equal to 7. D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. So we can find, here asked, and also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Here we have form AP and also find the sum of the first 15 terms. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into, here we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. 15 by 2, 2 into 7, n 15 minus 1 into d, 4. 15 by 2, 2 7s are 14, 14 into 4, 15 by 2, 14, 14 4s are 56, 15 by 2, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 6 7, 70, 2 1s, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 15 into 35, 15 5s are 75, 15 3s are 45, 52. So 525, 525, S15 answer. 7th bit second problem. AN is equal to 9 minus 5n and also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Solution for 7th bit second problem. Given AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. If A1, then A1 9 minus 5 into 1 is equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2, 9 minus 10 minus 1. A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 15 minus 6. So like this will come. Therefore, the pattern pattern 4 minus 1 minus 6 and so on. Here A1, A2, A3. Are these form AP? We can check the common difference. A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 5. A3 minus A2. This is a common difference. A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 minus 6 minus of minus 1 minus 6 minus of minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 5. Therefore, the common differences of these terms are equal. Therefore, 4 minus 1 minus 6 and so on form an AP. And also asked here, find the sum of first 15 terms. Sum of first 15 terms is equal to, we know the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. 15 by 2, 2 into first a is equal to 4 plus 15 minus 1 into d. D is minus 5. A is 4, D is minus 5. These are values, we have to substitute in this. D minus 5. 15 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 15 minus, so here 14 in minus 5. 15 by 2, 8, 14 5s are 70. That is equal to 15 by 2 minus 62. 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 ones. 15 into minus 31. 15 ones are 15. We have to keep minus. 15 ones are 15. 1 carry. 15 threes are 45. 46. Minus 465. This is the answer. Eighth problem, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? Remember, the first term is S1. What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the nth, the 10th and the nth terms. Solution for eighth problem. Given Sn AP, in AP Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So S1 is equal to n is equal to 1, then S1 first term 4 into 1 minus 1 square, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the first term. Next to S2, sum of two terms, 4 into 2 minus 2 square, 4 to the 8 minus 4, 4. So S3 4 into 3 minus 3 square. Here n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3. So we found first term and sum of first term are same. Here asked what is the first term. So this is the first term. A1 is equal to 3 only. This is the first answer. Next, what is the sum of first two terms? So these are the first two terms. Sum of the first two terms. This is the second answer. And what is the second term? We can find the second term. A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. So this is the S2. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So this is the third answer. Similarly, find the third term. So we can write first the pattern. 4 first 3, second term A2 1. Next we have to write A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. So A3 minus 1. So A1, A2, A3 and so on. Now we can write what is the second term. Second term already written. Find the third term. This is the third term. Fourth answer. And the 10th term, A10 is equal to A plus 9D. 3 plus, here A is equal to 3. D is equal to, here A is equal to 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is D. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 2 is the D. So D is equal to minus 2. 3 plus and minus minus 9 to the 18 minus 15. 10th term A10 is equal to minus 15. So this is fifth answer. And also we have to find nth term. Nth term SAN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A in place of A we have to substitute 3. N minus 1 into D. In place of D we have to substitute minus 2. So 3 plus into minus minus. N 2s are 2n. We have to multiply like this. N into 2 minus 2n. Minus into minus plus 2. So 5 minus 2n. So this is the nth term an. Question number 9. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Solution for the ninth problem. The first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are, and so on. 40, here asked 40, that's why 6 into 40, that is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and so on. 6 4s are 24, 240. So this is A1, A2, sorry, A1, A2, A3, and so on. This is AN is last term. So here A is equal to 6 and the last term L is equal to 240. Basing this, and we have to find the sum of the first 40 positive numbers. N is equal to 40. So basing this, we can find sum of the first 40 positive integers divided by 6 is equal to 40 by 2, 6 plus 240. We are used the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. This is the formula. 2 1s 2 2s 0, 20, 246, 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 2s are 4. So sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 are 4920. This is the answer. Question number 10. A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. Solution for the 10th problem. According to the question, let the 7 prizes be x minus 20, x minus 40, x minus 60, x minus 80, x minus 100, x minus 120. So these are 7 prizes: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. So here first term A is equal to x, last term L is equal to x minus 120. We know the formula Sn is equal to sum of n terms of AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. So basing this formula, we can find 7 prizes. S7 is equal to 7 by 2, n is equal to 7. First term x, last term x minus 120, x minus 120. This is given 700 rupees. 700. So 7 1s are 7 1s are, 7 0s are, 7 0s are. So here 1x 2x minus 120 by 2 is equal to 100. Here 2 ones are minus 2 6 are 0, 2 ones are. So x is equal to 100 minus 60 becomes plus 60. So x is equal to 160. Therefore the prices, therefore the value of each of the prices x 160 140 120 100 80 60 40 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are the price values. These are rupees. These all are rupees. Question number 11. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. That is, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Solution for the 11th problem. According to the question, there are 3 sections. There are 3 sections of each class. So the number of trees, that each section planted that is class 1, class 2, class 3 and so on up to class 12. Or first class 1 into 3, second 2 into 3, third 3 into 3, 11th 12th 12 into 3 respectively. So like this. Therefore then 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and so on. 12 3s are 36. Clearly it form an AP. Clearly it form an AP. So increasing 3 3, that's why. So A1, A2, A3, this is A12. Here first term A is equal to 3, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So last term here L is equal to 36. So we can find S. Last term A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 36. A is 3, N minus 1 into D is 3, 36, N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 36 minus 3, N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 33, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. N is equal to 11 plus 1, N is equal to 12. So the number of trees planted by students, therefore the number of the number of trees planted by the students S, we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. So S12, we have to find S12, 12 by 2, first term 3, last term 36, 2 ones 2 6, 6 into 39, 6 nines are 54, 5, 6 threes are 18, 23, 234, total 234. This is the answer. 12th problem. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with the center at A of radii 0.5 centimeters, 1.0 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and so on, as shown in figure. Here this is for first semicircle. For this B is the semicircle, for this A is the semicircle. This like this alternate. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7, and also you are given length of successive, here into this length of successive semicircles is L1, L2, L3, L4. Here given L1, L2, L3, L4, and so on, with the centers at A, B, and so on respectively. Solution for 12th problem. Length of spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles is equal to, we have to find this only this arc, length of the arc. That's why we have to calculate pi r, length of the arc we have to calculate pi r only. So that's why here pi into 0.5 plus pi into 1.0 plus pi into 1.5 centimeters and so on. That last one is pi into 6.5. First of 0.5, second of 1, third of 1.5, 13th of 6.5, like this. So if we taken this common, pi into 0.5 is common here, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 13 is the last term. So this is in the form of first 30 natural numbers. We know the formula for first 30 natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. So using this formula we can calculate this. This 22 by 7 is given here into 0.5, 5 by 10 into n plus 1 by 2, 13 into 13 plus 1 by 2, 13 plus 1, 14 by 2. So we can cancel 7 ones are 7 twos, 2 ones, 2 ones. Next 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 ones, 2 ones. So 11 into 13, 11 13s are 11 3s are 33, 11 ones are 11, 14, 143. So 143 is the 143 centimeters. This is the length of a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. Question number 13. 200 logs are stocked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? Solution for 13 question. We may observe like this: first row 20, in first row 20, in second row 19, in third row 18, like this. According to the question, according to the question, logs are stocked in each row form a series 20, 19, 18 and so on, like this. So clearly it is an AP, A1, A2, A3 and so on. A is equal to 20, D is equal to A2 minus A1, 19 minus 20 minus 1. So Sn is equal to 200 already given, total logs 200. So basing this we can find n. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 200. Here you have to substitute the given values. N by 2, 2 into 20, n minus 1 into d minus 1 is equal to 100. We can shift this that side. N into 40 n into minus 1 minus n minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 2 into 100, 2 into 200, n into 41 minus n is equal to 400, n into 41, 41n minus n square is equal to 400. So we have to shift these to that side, RHS side, that is n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. We have to factorize this. 1 into 400, 400, 400 is equal to 1625, both are minus, minus 16 minus 25 is equal to minus 41 will come. So we are making factorization. This we are split this like n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 is equal to 0. N is common, n minus 16 minus 25 is common, n minus 16 is equal to 0. N minus 16 into n minus 25 is equal to 0. N is equal to n minus 16 is equal to 0, or n minus 25 is equal to 0. N is equal to 16, n is equal to 25. When n is equal to 16, an a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, here we can substitute, a is 20, 16 minus 1 into d is minus 1, so 20 plus into minus minus 17, 16 minus 1, 15, 5. So n is equal to 16, we got 5. When n is equal to 25, an is equal to 20 plus 20 minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 20 minus 19 minus 20, first term 20, 20 minus 1, 19, so minus, here 1 will come. When n is equal to 25, an is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 20 minus 24 minus 4 will come, but n can't be negative, but n can't be negative, but an can't be negative. Therefore the number of rows is 16. Therefore the number of rows is 16, and number of logs in the top row are 5. This is not suitable for this only is suitable. The number of logs in the top row is 5. So this is the answer. 14th problem. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first ball. So here is the bucket, here is a ball. This is 5 meters distance, and the other balls are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line, remaining kept in 3 meters apart, like this. In a straight line, there are 10 balls in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest ball, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next ball, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the balls are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Here is a int given to pick up the first ball and the second ball. The total distance in meters run by a competitor is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3. To take this first ball, 2 into 5. She is to take and drop in it. That's why 2 into 5. Next ball, 2 into 5 plus 3. 2 into 5 plus 3. So solution for 14th problem. According to the question, the distance run by the competitor in picking up and dropping first ball, second ball, third ball, and so on. So according to the question, we can write first ball 2 into 5, 2 into 5 plus 3, 2 into 5 plus 3 plus 3, and so on. That is 2 5 the 10, 5 plus 3 8, 16, so 22, and so on. So it is clearly it is an AP. So here A is A, A1, A2, A3 and so on. A is equal to 10, D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. And also there are 10 balls, that's why N is equal to 10. We know the formula to find sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Basing this formula, we can find sum of 10 terms. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into a 10 plus 10 minus 1 into d is 6. So here 2 ones, 2 5s, 5, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 1 9, 9 6 are 54, 5 into 74, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35, 37, 370. S10 370. S10 means the total distance, the competitor has to run is equal to 370 meters. So this is the answer. Friends, I think you understood each and every explanation what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.